Hi guys, I hope your exams are going good. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kamakshi Aluwalia and today's subject is science. So all of you 10thies, pull up your socks and hear what I say. I will start off by explaining the exam pattern. Time allowed for science exam is 3 hours and maximum marks is 90. Question paper has two sections, A and B. All questions are compulsory and there is no choice in any of the questions. Question paper. Now question paper is divided into two parts, A and B, as I've already told you. Now question number A is from question number 1 to question number 24. Question number 1 to 3 are of 1 mark each. They are to be answered in one word or in one sentence. Question number 4 to 6 will be of 2 marks each and they are to be answered in 30 words each. I'm going to zoom into section A as we'll come to question number 7 to 18. They are of 3 marks each and these are to be answered in about 50 words each. Question number 19 to 24 will be of 5 marks each and these are to be answered in 70 words each. Now I'm going to zoom into section B. Section B is from question number 25 to 36. From question number 25 to 33, they are MCQs and they are of 1 mark each. You have to select the most appropriate response out of the 4 provided to you. And question number 34 to 36 are of 2 marks each and these are to be answered in brief. Now I will move on to preparation tips. These are some general preparation tips which you should keep in mind. Number 1. Follow the latest CBSE Class 10th Science SA2 Syllabus 2017. You can see that we have given you the marking scheme of different units. There are 5 units and the markings allotted to them can be seen in the screen. Next tip, practice CBSE Class 10th previous year question papers. Nextly, refer NCERT textbooks or class notes. Learn about CBSE Class 10th Science SA2 marking scheme which we have already provided you in the first tip. Solve CBSE Class 10 sample papers and practice papers. Now I am going to tell you some important tips which are specifically for science subject. You have to make notes and points which make it easier to learn the topic at the time of revision. Practice diagrams and numerical questions. Create a separate list of important formulas and laws. Revise the concepts as doing this will provide you an idea where you are going wrong and how would you improve them. Formulate a technique for memorizing the formulas and concepts in a clear agreement. Attempt each topic and try to interpret value questions from it. Practice NCERT books thoroughly. Guys, NCERT is the Bible for you. CBSE board exam question papers are completely based on this book. Do not start a new topic at the last minute. Revise the topics which you have already completed. As you all know that there are very less number of days left for your science exam which is on 22nd of March 2017. So what all tips you should keep during the last days before your exam? Early to bed, early to rise makes your routine likewise. Free your brain from unneeded information. The information which is not so important, the events which are not so important and the people who are not so important. You should not waste your time on it. Try all practice papers, past year exam papers and also the guest papers. Eat well and drink well. Keep your cool. You don't need to get angry on such situations and definitely not get nervous if your syllabus has not been completed. You can do it. You should stay optimistic and positive. Now, what are the tips you should keep in mind while attempting your science paper? The candidates should try to solve the question paper in the given sequence. Either you started from the top or you started from the bottom. In case the candidates do not know the answer to a particular question, they should leave the space for that and go on to the next question without wasting much time. The candidates should label the diagrams properly. The candidates should give precise answers, no unnecessary details should be provided. The keywords or important sentences should be highlighted. Also, the candidate should keep in mind the word limit while answering the question. While drawing the diagrams or figures in your exam, you should always use a sharpened pencil. And if you want to know about the important questions of science exam, please find the link in the description box, and like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. All the best guys, don't panic.